For over 35 years, Leigh has built a reputation for quality and innovation. That quality and innovation continues with the Leigh box joint and beehive jig. The Leigh box joint and beehive jig, model B975, is a cost-effective, simple, and easy-to-use jig for routing 1/2" and 3/4" box joints, with the patented Leigh joint fit. From making a simple box to a beehive, box joints can be routed in boards up to 17 and 13/16 of an inch wide. As an added feature, the box joint and beehive jig can also be used on a router table. The Leigh box joint and beehive jig. Leigh quality and precision at an affordable price. The Leigh box joint and beehive jig is backed by a full 5-year warranty, the best in the business. And our customer care and technical support is second to none. For more information on the Leigh box joint and beehive jig, visit leighjigs.com.